Hello everybody, Team O160 welcomes you. This is our video for Sitecore SXA category entry for Sitecore Hackathon 2017. Our module is aimed to leverage the shopping experience for users by utilizing Microsoft Recommendation API that provides personalized product recommendations for a customer based on previous interactions. So the module extends Sitecore backend so administrators can easily set up connection with Recommendation API and send initial data to the service for analysis. Recommendation module also exposes API that allows Sitecore developers to build other scenarios where Recommendation API can help improve user experience. As an example, we implemented SXA catalog component that can render recommended products. Our primary focus is on Recommendation API integration so that developers can further use it for their purposes. Let me demonstrate how we implemented the configuration for the module. I'm going to navigate to the content editor, SXA website settings, and there we have recommendation configuration. This is where we specify integration endpoint with recommendations API, and this is where we can choose one of the products catalogs that will be used for recommendation. Next, in the settings root item, we can choose recommendation settings. When settings item is selected, we have two custom commands. The first command is intended to upload catalog to recommendations API, and this is where the data modeling takes place, so that the recommendations API understands our data model, and our data model contains user ID, product ID, and a timestamp. Next, we have product catalog implemented on the website. So this is where the visitor can interact with each product, and let's assume that this button is a button where product is added to the shopping cart, and then checkout process is executed. So visitors can navigate products and click to buy products. Every time buy button is pressed, information is sent to the recommendations API. Next, just below the product information, we have our SXA component edit, which renders recommended products, and there you can also see reasoning. For instance, for this product, the default recommendation is used. Every 30 minutes there is a call to the recommendations API, which is configured as a comment, and the comment is intended to trigger recommendations build with recommendations API. Next, we can navigate to one of the product items. Once we select product page, we can navigate to the experience editor. And we can select product content partial design. And there you can see we can have our component edit, which is already there. Developers can further use our API to extend the implementation. This was our sample demo based on Sitecore Experience Accelerator. Thank you for your attention.